Right now, downtown Denver, and this camera that's over a mile high really tells the story. We had sunshine early on, and now clouds quickly moving in from the west, and it's going to be mostly cloudy through the rest of the day. Live look from the top of Steamboat. This is the Thunderhead Lodge up there, the appropriately named Thunderhead Lodge, because we've seen some thunderstorms in the distance up there in Steamboat Springs. And throughout the Colorado High Country, rain has been developing over the last few hours. A lot of rain and a lot of lightning right now south of Grand Junction, moving into the Montrose and Telluride areas. A little bit closer to Denver, we've already seen some rain develop along Highway 285 in Jefferson County. It's raining in Conifer. Bailey's already had a few raindrops, even Ken Carroll and far southwest Littleton there near Chatfield on the southwest side of town. Already getting some rain here this midday. It's pretty light, just barely enough to get the pavement wet. One other area I wanted to pinpoint is northeast Colorado. We had a lot of rain over there early this morning as well as even late this morning. Most of that activity has now come to an end. Holyoke has seen more than 4 inches of rain over the last 7 days. Elsewhere in the state, Grand Junction, more than 1.5 inches of rain. Montrose, more than 1.25 inches. So that's good news for our drought situation. We do still have about 15% of Colorado experiencing at least extreme, if not exceptional drought. But each week, for the last several weeks, we've seen the amount of the state experiencing those high drought levels continuing to shrink. So it's good news. One thing that's interesting is that we still have moderate drought in northeast Colorado even after all that rain, so I think by next week we'll see that drought situation improve there as well. It's already 101 degrees right now in Lamar. It's 82 here in Denver, 79 in Boulder. We have 60s and 70s throughout the mountains right now. For most of us, we'll climb another 5-10 degrees. The clouds are going to hold us back, but most of us around Denver will at least reach into the mid and upper 80s here this afternoon. Tomorrow, less cloud cover. In fact, lots of sunshine, almost no chance for rain tomorrow, and therefore it's going to be hotter again, back up to 94 for Friday. Let's zoom out, take a look at the big picture. There's high pressure to the east of us. There's low pressure to the northwest of us. And in between these two pressure centers, we've got a cold front that's right near Salt Lake City this morning, or this midday, I should say. That front's going to make its way toward Denver tomorrow night. So it's going to move pretty slowly. And then the cooler air back behind the front, that really won't settle in until Saturday night into Sunday. The storm behind the front keeps looking like it's going to track even farther north. At one point, it looked like this was going to come across Wyoming. Now it looks like it's going to stay in Montana. And with that storm so far north of us, we're going to have very limited storm chances here in Colorado for the weekend. So while it will turn cooler on Sunday with temps dropping into the 80s instead of the 90s where we'll be on Saturday, other than that temperature swing, I just don't think we're going to have much of an impact here. This afternoon, we'll continue to see showers and storms develop in the mountains. We've got at least a 30% chance for seeing those storms here in Metro Denver between now and sunset. Around 8 o'clock, we're going to watch the radar. It's possible we could have a lot of storm activity in Routt County, including around Steamboat, and those storms could survive long enough to make their way across northern Colorado late evening, 10, 11 o'clock, even midnight tonight. And as those storms move onto the eastern plains, some could be severe with hail and wind again. Some of those same areas that have already had the heavy rain could get more of it later today into tonight. Tomorrow, sunny, hot, and dry, 94. Saturday, 92, down to 84 behind that cold front we discussed for the weekend going into Sunday. Mackenzie?
All right, sounds great. Thanks so much, Ashton.